Nature teaches us countless lessons, however, the irony is that we often fail to acknowledge them. Today, we explore an inspiring story through the actions of a group of red ants, an example of perseverance and determination. These ants were separated midway on their journey. To cross from one tree to another, they had to grasp the leaves above. While some opted for alternative routes, the majority preferred to cling to the upper leaves, creating a shortcut to reach their destination faster. Their unwavering dedication and sheer determination were truly remarkable. They refused to give up until they succeeded. But will they ultimately achieve victory? Let's watch and find out by the end of this video. How did their path become divided? Was there no other option? This separation was caused by nature itself, by the force of the wind splitting their course. Yet, that same wind also assisted them, proving to be both a challenge and a blessing. This is how nature operates. What will truly astonish you is the resilience of these ants. They climb atop one another, not for personal triumph, but for the collective success of their community. They do not dwell on their physical limitations, their size, strength, or the difficulties they face. Their sole focus remains on their shared goal. They attempt repeatedly, never discouraged by failure. Each effort is meant for a higher purpose, not individual glory. I ask one simple request from you, the viewer. Do not merely watch this video with your eyes, see it with clarity through your mind. As the creator of this video, I too have learned a profound lesson. Hours of researching and crafting content left me exhausted, unsure of what to present. But then, unexpectedly, I witnessed these ants and their perseverance. That moment made me realize the true value of their struggle and invaluable insight that shaped this video. The natural world is breathtaking. It is sometimes fierce, emotional, playful, and diverse. Observe how these ants fight for one goal, knowing that victory is always within reach because they remain united. This is what distinguishes them from us. While they dedicate themselves to their purpose, we often build purposes around sacrifices. We pile up endless ambitions, exhausting ourselves with struggles. Yesterday, I felt lost, uncertain about my planned video. But unexpectedly, fate led me to this moment, a lesson that strengthened my determination. Perhaps this will be a meaningful experience for you as well. A reminder that dedication, perseverance, and clarity lead to success. Success, remember, the more failures occur, the more refined the path to success becomes. Each attempt, though different, holds value. These ants fall multiple times, yet never leave one another behind. Their defining trait is their unity. They never count the times they've fallen. They embrace each effort as though it were their first. Through determination, the weight of struggle transforms into the strength of resilience. They adapt, shifting positions and experimenting with new strategies, all in service of their community's collective success. Despite the challenges, this effort never feels like a burden to them. The key behind all of this is solidarity, a lesson we often see within the animal kingdom. Their world remains beautiful because of this unity. They teach us through action that success is built upon never giving up. Through determination, triumph eventually arrives. Nature blesses perseverance. Just as the wind separated them, the wind also bridged the gap, helping them complete their mission. They continued, ensuring the well-being of their entire colony, securing their passage until their journey was complete. Even other ants outside their group understood their struggle and provided assistance. Through unity, relentless effort, and determination, goals are achieved, a powerful lesson these ants pass on to us through their actions. Imagine if humanity could embrace this same principle. What kind of world would we create if we worked together with unwavering unity? As the human world moves forward with advancements, the essence of nature's harmony grows distant. What gift do we truly owe to nature? This remains an eternal question, one without a definitive answer. Yet perhaps the answer is not lost. Perhaps we already hold it. Should we not, as humans, recognize this truth together? You who reflect and contemplate are part of this journey. Because freedom belongs to all. To learn more about these natural and rare things, subscribe to our Freedom on Earth channel. Share and like with your friends. Leave us your comments on the video.